गुड आफ्टरनून फ्रेंड्स। अचानक मैंने नोटिस किया कि बहुत सारी मेरी हैबिट्स या काम ऐसे हैं जो मैं सिर्फ करता रहता हूँ। आई जस्ट डू इट। अगर मैं उनको ना करूँ तो मुझे पूरी तरह से सुकून नहीं मिलता। जैसे मेरे बहुत सारे दोस्त मैं जानूँ, दे फॉन्ड ऑफ कुकिंग। वो बनाते रहते हैं कुछ ना कुछ, सब कुछ है घर में, टेबल भरी है, फ्रिज भरी है, बट दिल कीप कुकिंग, ट्राइंग समथिंग ऑल दिस। आई नो सम फ्रेंड्स, they're very fond of very neat and clean toilet. So all the time they are washing all those toiletries in the toilet and keep it absolutely clean. कुछ लोग हैं जब उनके बेडरूम में जाओ तो एक सिलवट हो जाए, दे कांट स्लीप, तो सारे दिन अपने तकिए चद्दर वद्दर ठीक करते रहते, एवरीथिंग। एंड दिस इज कॉल्ड, दिस हैबिट इज कॉल्ड एन ऑब्सेसिव कंपल्सिव डिसऑर्डर, OCD। और आप इसको कह सकते हैं द डीमन ऑफ compulsiveness. So today I'm going to talk on OCD, obsessive compulsive disorder, जो हम में सब में कुछ ना कुछ ऐसी होती हैं जो हम जो है उस कंपल्शन की वजह से वो करते हैं और उससे उस इडियोसिंक्रेसीज को विदाउट रियलाइजिंग द यूटिलिटी और necessity we continue doing it. Similarly, like every new year, whenever it comes, I tell myself that things are going to be as simple and as complicated I can make them. I'm not going to worry about anything, and I'm certainly not going to strain myself unnecessarily. ऐसे resolutions ले लेता हूँ, excellent resolution हम सभी लेते हैं, but by the end of the year you only arrive that there is just no gain. You break all resolution, making list of all those things that simply must be done every new year. And you can be sure that all those things I promised myself to cut out, and there again, as a result, by the time the year is over, I'm physically and down and nervous, physical and nervous wreck. All because I still haven't learned to cope up with the demons of compulsiveness, all those my obsessive compulsive disorders which I carry. What is that again? I said the demon of compulsiveness, कि वो शिद्दत की ख्वाहिश जो हमारे अंदर है, जो हमें मजबूर करती है कुछ चीज़ों को लगातार बार बार करने के लिए. The demon of compulsiveness or the obsessive compulsive disorder is that strong urge within us that makes us, compels us rather do certain things much though we would prefer not to do them. And अगर हम उनको बार बार करते रहे without realizing the seriousness, serious effect on our this thing, वो चीज़ें हमारी habits बन जाती हैं, आदत बन जाती हैं. Now, and by repeatedly doing this, we end up acquiring the habit of not being able to relax, of not being able to take things easy once in a while and just relax. Don't bother about anything and just watch the world go by. Lots of people suffer from this malady of being creatures of compulsiveness. As I've said, I know compulsive cooks. They must cook, whether they need it or not. And so, though they would rather laze in bed with the magazine, they go from baking cake after cake to making endless dishes on their favorite curries and loading their tables unnecessarily. And same goes for any other compulsion one can have. I have known compulsive party givers who cannot but give a party every week, every alternate. They look for an occasion. उनको वजह चाहिए कुछ ना कुछ पार्टी लोगों को बुलाना और खिलाना और उस भीड़ को इकट्ठा करना. I have known compulsive homemakers. Even I have known those are compulsive do-gooders. वो अच्छा ही करना चाहते हैं सबको. They are very good. They are doing good, and they go on without any soul into that activity. And all of us compulsive, suffering from this obsessive compulsive disorder, have only one thing in common. We have great determination, great willpower, and we are certainly perfectionists. Whatever we do, we should be done perfectly, right down to the last detail, or we just don't feel good at all. What drives us on? Perhaps it is a feeling that we would, in some way, by failing ourselves, not only if we did not do them, but if we did not do them as well, and we possibly could. मुझे पूरा यकीन है, I'm sure you will agree, however, that this is rather a misplaced dedication. अगर यही सिंसियरिटी, यही डेडिकेशन किसी कंस्ट्रक्टिव क्रिएटिव काम में लगाया जाए, उसके असर कितने मुफीद हो सकते हैं आपके लिए और माशरे के लिए, सबके लिए. But we keep on doing a thing just because it's become a habit. It is considered idiosyncrasy. It is an admirable quality. No great man or a woman, a scholar, a writer, philosopher, or inventor could have achieved what he or she did without this quality of single-mindedness of the purpose. But then, such a quality needs to be harnessed to a worthwhile goal, or it will serve no worthwhile purpose at all. कोलू के बैल की तरह सारा जिंदगी चक्कर लगाते रहेंगे, वहाँ तो कम से कम तेल निकलता है. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली दैट ऑक्स, वो बैल सारी जिंदगी घूमता रहता है मगर आधा इंच की प्रोग्रेस नहीं करता. Perhaps the young people have not yet become slaves of this kind of compulsiveness as the middle-aged or the elderly people. Now question comes, what should you do if you want to steer clear of this habit? And this idea comes to me when once I was I had landed from somewhere in the airport. I was waiting for my friend to come and pick me up, and he got delayed. So 1 hour, एक घंटे में सिर्फ वहाँ बैठा रहा क्वाइटली उसका इंतज़ार करते हुए, और अचानक ये एहसास हुआ मुझे उस एक घंटे में कि मैं उस भीड़ में वहाँ बैठा था, ना ही अपने बारे में कुछ सोच रहा था, न मुझे कोई जानता था, न मैं किसी को जानता था. I was thinking almost nothing, and I realized that how could I cure myself. I got a cure of my habit of this obsessive compulsive disorder, the demon of compulsiveness. कुछ ना कुछ सोचते रहना है कि अगला काम क्या करना है, अभी कैसे क्या करना है, वो चीज़ करने पर रह गई. And suddenly I realized this idea of cure. It came to me when I had to spend an hour waiting for a friend in an airport. I have not for a long time spent a more pleasant hour, during which I simply relaxed, thinking nothing. Nobody is noticing me. I was not bothered about anybody, just sitting completely with myself, thinking about nothing especially, doing nothing, but just figuratively sitting there. Sitting and watching the whole world go by around me, people passing around here and there. That's it. My friend came, and I reached home completely mentally and physically relaxed, and I would say even more energetic. Why? Simply because I had opened little time. I had spent a little time just letting myself relax. My friend, I suggest every one of you, give your time, some time to just relax, think nothing, do nothing, just lie on bed, or sit in a balcony, whichever favorite chair, and keep watching things. Let the thoughts come and pass. If you want to break this vicious compulsiveness, the demon of compulsiveness, the obsessive compulsive disorder of any habit you have, anyone can have, do, my friend, what you really feel like doing. वो करो जो तुम्हारा दिल करता है करने बिना किसी की परवाह किए. Not what you have convinced yourself that you must do just because everybody else is doing it and you want to be in the race, God knows which race. Give yourself that time. Or just let yourself the my way. Let yourself relax and simply do nothing for a while. Just watch the world go by. You will see you will be more happier, more relaxed, and a more secure person. My friend, everything will fall in place. Stop giving too much of importance to yourself and too much caring for your surroundings. Just remember, nobody is like you. You are the best and you are unique. Thank you very much.